Hi guys, well my ingredients are pretty simple. It's kosher salt, pepper, rosemary, thyme, extra virgin olive oil, and I put a little bit of butter just for that buttery taste. But my husband doesn't like too much butter, so that's why I just cut just like I don't even know how to tell you, just a little bit. And in terms of the spices, you just add, based on taste. Eyeball it. It's always to be better, like a little under than over. Um, so just eyeball it and go based on what you've cooked before. This is how you learn how to cook, right? By trial and error. Um, okay. Okay, so into the oven, cover with some foil. I know it says 370 here, but I went up to 375 to get that roasted nice look. And it went on for an hour and a half. I took it out after an hour. It wasn't ready, so another 30 minutes did the trick, and it was so delicious. Yum. Enjoy.